think I did quite a few of this. I'm really obsessed with this. It looks like really easy, fun, but also can be frustrated if you can go back and forth more than it just like, can you wipe it off? Back and forth more than it's just one time, 2 times, 3 times, it doesn't matter. Oh my God, sorry, Joanna, thank you so much. Joanna, did I say it right? It's not, then just kill me. Just kidding. If you kill me, then you have to go in life, everyone. Just kidding. Thank you so much. I love all of your support. We wouldn't be here without every single of you. So this is a live video brought to you from us to every single of you. So if you can't tune into all our live videos, you can always tune in one of, and then you can only re-watching them from our IGTV as well as on YouTube and Facebook as well. All right, so only I need is crystal clears. I'm opening it on the side so I don't want. Thank you so much, Joanna. All right, so I'm gonna using crystal clear. I let it set from really shiny to the matte. And basically, it's just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot of your, I'm gonna using a little piece of paper. I don't wanna put a whole cover so that no one can read the comments. Just get, how everyone doing today? Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone have a good day. Please take care of yourself, be safe. So, okay, so I'm gonna tap really gentle. I have just a little bit of my crystal clears here. I really pleased with this crystal clear. It just really saved my life from worry about bleeding all that fusion ink, and also is like contaminating. So I'm just like using just a little bit of fusion ink crystal clear, and I wipe it off. You can see that just a residue right there. You want to make sure you wipe it all off, and then you're gonna dip it back in the brush back into crystal clear bottle, and then you're gonna start working it again. Make sure I'm not gonna miss Instagram. So for all of you who are doing a contest, if you don't have a press on like this, don't feel bad. You don't have, just make the best you can. Using a regular tip and shape it like a round shape here. And I'm gonna show you a little bit. If you are we done with the live videos, I can definitely gonna share with you. So then we would love to see all of you to participate. So don't limits of it because you said you don't have a tips. If you have a tips, great. But if you don't, I can show you something you can do with. So with this fusioning, because I'm just like have a conversation with everyone, and it's every single nails of fusioning you do, there's like not gonna be exactly 100% matching. So if the clients want to get it done, that make sure you advise the clients they're gonna do like a similar fusions marble looks for the nails, but it doesn't necessarily it's gonna be completely identical, the same, you know, like because they are fusioning and is a marble look. I missed everyone though. I didn't we didn't have the stream yesterday, so but we're so excited, we can't wait. And then I have Ali, one of the student, tune in. One of the things I'm really proud of her, as I'm always proud of every single of you too. We learned from each other so much, and we see a lot of you that did a beautiful work and sharing with us. Thank you so much for sharing with us. We really happy, and we're so excited. That is a motivate for us every single day with really different contents that we're sharing with you. All right, so I think I'm good. You can always do more if you want to create more veins. I I don't think it's any prime at all. Like you can do a different look. It doesn't have to be necessarily exactly the same with my look. It's just one of the preference for all of you. Right, great, done. So it's like simple and it done. And do you want to see this one? You want to see a black and white? Which one would you like to see? Because I want you to enjoying it. Do you want this? I get all of black and white theme for everyone. All right. White Louis, black Louis, Versace, black butterflies, Chanel's. Which one you want to see? Black. Hey, Fire Goodness. Hello. Hey, CC. Chanel's. Louis. Chanel's. Louis. Debbie, you want Louis? I should do it like everything in there. I should do this, 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 this. Like if you love it all, you just put it all on one nails. Chanel, everyone want to see Chanel's, huh? Debbie, I'm gonna using Louis on the next nails. On the black nails for the all right, so I am going to using to make a little bit more like dimensionals. I'm gonna using is gel painting with the precision brush. And one thing that I really like is the really precise brush. So then we can able to go in. If you have the jet black, I think jet black is awesome as well. You using your tinted brush. And then if you're doing this, is really cool tip and trick, okay? And like you basically, it's just really a light touch on your hand, just like basically floating your brush on this. You don't have to press it so hard. You can just like really just to give it just a little bit touch. But you can do however you would like it. Great. Okay. So I'm gonna flash gear this for 30 seconds. And then I am going to using, do you want to see, maybe we're doing golden touch. I'm having like, I think I got the shimmering silver, but I also really like is golden touch as well. So which one you want to see, the golden touch or shimmering silver? Whitney says, want to say Nancy Chanel's with the heels, please. Hey, Vanessa, how are you, love? Sharanda, hello, how are you? All right, silver, silver, all right. CC said silver, oh. Gotta get that, 2 cents. Sorry, I just opened it on my side. That's why you see how you really pigmented that gel. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to finish this gel part. If you're getting one of this set from a Glitz Sister and such, well, congratulations, it's good investment and will last you, I won't say it's forever, but it's a lot in this part. And each time you're drawing, even you drawing it won't take that much. So I'm going to using my tinted brush, and this is just just in case you're curious what I'm using here, because then just sometime in case we're asking. So if I missed any of your questions, please feel free to DM us. We try so much to really hard to get back to everyone. And if you are have any questions regarding to the products, you can always reach us really good at info at Glitz accessory and such. So there's always team in the office can really get back to us. So it's the same thing with techniques. I'm gonna just floating this a little bit only. I don't need to do a whole lot, which is a lighter touch you get, the better it's gonna look. It's take me a practice and fun with this as well. And the first few years ago, I still get no ideas how I can control that, is marble look and fusionings. As I share so much and learning from all of you, is getting better and better every day, so I can able to share with everyone, and I believe in every single of you doing it really good as well. So great. So if you're happy with this, I'm gonna clear this for 30 seconds. If you're not, you can add more. You can add more veins on it as you prefer. I am going to clear this for 30 seconds. Hey Foxy.